Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to start off the video with some action, so I set you guys up the way I did. But this here is a 66 Falcon that I took the old factory, or not the factory, but one of their custom clips that somebody made. This junk right here. This was the motor mounts. Typical hack job fabrication. So now I've got it pretty much all plasma cut out. Got all the cross member out, the coilover pockets are out. So now what I'm gonna do when I come back from lunch, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grind all this down, grind the top. I may end up having to cut this bracket out so that way I can fit this new clip in. We're gonna play that by ear. I'm just gonna get everything ground down, smoothed out first. Got both sides to do, tops, insides. Clean up this outside area, make it look good. And then we'll get to installing the Scott's Hot Rods front end. This thing is sweet, guys. It's supposed to be direct bolt in. Comes with the frame boxing plates if I need them. We'll play that again by ear. If I have to cut out the old stuff, I will end up using those. Check out the coilovers. Got those QA1s. Got the lower control arms right there. Uppers are somewhere around here. Oh, uppers are right here. Super cool, guys. So that's a little update for you guys. I'm gonna go eat some lunch and then come back and start ripping away on this. So stay tuned. All right guys, so that's gonna wrap up this installation video on the 66 Falcon. Like I said earlier in the video, this is the Scott's Hot Rods IFS. We actually got these QA1s separate, so that way we had matching QA1s for the front and the rear. I guess the kit does not come with them, but that's Wilwood spindle, Wilwood hub, QA1 coilovers, Scott's Hot Rods upper and lower control arms, Flaming River column or rack and pinion, and yeah guys. So like I showed you guys in that video, this piece will need to get welded in. I made clearance right here in this section on the inner fenders just because I didn't like how close they were. I felt like it was going to affect travel as the car goes up and down. So I believe they do make covers for this. If not, I'll end up bead rolling covers for those so they look nice and good. All that's really left, guys, is the tighten everything down and install the sway bar. Let me show you guys that real quick. The sway bar end links are here, all the hardware. Let's see. The bushings for the sway bar. Here's the actual sway bar. And last but not least, these are the mounts for the sway bar. These will go, I believe, up under here on the frame rail. I gotta look at the instructions and see what it says, but that sounds like the most logical place. And yeah guys, we're all wrapped up on the front. This is gonna go back to the client. I'm assuming he's gonna strip it all down and powder coat everything. He didn't want to do that at this moment, so I believe that's where it's headed to next. But it will be back in the future because we will be doing a triangulated 4-link, and we'll be doing it the correct way. Let me show you guys what's going on here with this so you got an idea. It has 2-foot tall coilovers, and the link bars are actually heading the wrong direction. This is pretty close to a parallel 4-link instead of a triangulated 4-link, so we'll get those, we'll get the whole rear end ripped down, stripped down, and then we'll start making our own kit, guys. So be on the lookout for that video. This car will be back, like I said, and that's a wrap, guys. We also got old Black Betty over here. She's looking super good. Jimmy's getting her knocked out. We got tubs in, tubs getting mounted, and this thing will be back up on the road here soon, guys. So stay tuned on that.